Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Rydah, and today I got a surprise package from the team over at Samsung, and I don't know exactly what's inside yet, but I believe it has something to do with the Unpacked event that's taking place on January 14th, 2021 for the S21 series. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Alright, well, upon opening the box, I am greeted with a Samsung members paper. And a nice and lengthy message from TM Row. And it starts off with saying, "Hello members, I hope this note finds you well." Yeah, a pretty nice and lengthy message. I will be reading this after this video. So I'll go ahead and set that to the side. And looks like there's nothing there. And a nice little cardboard envelope that says Samsung members on the front. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, further details on Epic Party will be provided by your regional manager. And there's a QR code that takes me to some member exclusive content. So I'll go ahead and just put this to the side. And let's see what else we got in the box. What is this? Some kind of, oh, looks like it's a garland, little banner, a Samsung members banner. That's pretty cool. So I'm assuming I'm going to be decorating my space since I will be attending Unpacked virtually from my own home. I'm probably going to end up decorating the place with some Samsung member gear, so pretty cool. We got a nice little decorative banner. I'll go ahead and set that to the side now. I see the word balloon. Let's see. So we got a foil balloon with the letter G. Oh, there's more. A, L, A, X, and Y. We got some Galaxy balloons here. So that's another sign that I'm gonna be throwing my own little epic party in the comfort of my own home while I watch Unpacked via stream. And what is this? Some Samsung member stickers. Nice. I'm glad they sent this because I've attended Unpacked since 2019, so I have the 2019, the 20, and now I got the 21 sticker. So I'm glad they sent that because, geez, you know, it doesn't seem like it's that important, but when you attend Unpacked, collecting these stickers is actually really nice, and it means something to me. So I'm glad they sent that over. We got a sticker of the little banner that they sent, as well as some other member stickers. So I believe Epic is something that they are pushing for this little virtual party. And a straw. Maybe it's to blow up the balloons, or I don't know. Man, it'd be pretty random to send a straw with nothing to drink from. Okay, set that to the side. And then there is one big box here at the bottom. That's all that's in the box. So I'll go ahead and put everything that I took out already in the box, move that over, and we got one more big Samsung members box. So let's go ahead and turn it around, open it up, and let's see what else we got. Not sure exactly what this is yet, but we'll go ahead and set that to the side. What else do we got in here? Some Galaxy blackboard markers. Yeah, blackboard markers. We'll see what that's for in a second. Looks like these came straight from South Korea. Oh, it looks like a confetti popper with some Galaxy branding on it. yeah, it is no secret that I am going to be throwing myself a Samsung party while I watch Unpacked. Create everyday epic moments. Team Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy. That's cool. It's a little smudgy, but cool. Maybe this is where the blackboard markers come in handy. I'll probably be writing something on this. So stay tuned. I definitely will be showing you guys some of this this material and further content coming up soon. And this is the last of the materials sent to me from Samsung. It looks like, oh, it's a Samsung members mini tumbler. This thing is tiny. For comparison, that is a tiny tumbler bottle. Very nice though. Be nice to, have a cup of tea in, or some warm coffee, some cold water. Samsung members. Alright, and I did find out that this is indeed what the blackboard marker is for. So I'll go ahead and just jot something down there. Gotta represent Team Galaxy. So this is just a quick little overview of everything that I got. Unfortunately, I do not have the space to put everything on a great display, but there is the balloons all spelled out for Galaxy, and then got the sticker pack, as well as the decorative banner. And you guys will see more of this in coming days on my social media, but just to give you an idea, it's a little pyramid that will sit upside down in the center of the screen of my Note 20 Ultra or S20 Ultra, and it will kind of give a holographic experience for some material that Samsung will be sending me out. So there's that. We got the water tumbler, confetti popper, and some blackboard markers, along with the note from TM Rowe himself, and of course the Galaxy little stick thingy. Of course, I'm coming from LA. We got the S21 series coming, and once again, it's your boy Rydah. Thanks for watching. Peace.